In occupied Jerusalem, Palestinian women bear the burden of suffering as the demolition of their homes has become Israeli occupation policy. The demolitions have devastating consequences for Palestinian families, with women often bearing the brunt of the impact. Home demolitions in Jerusalem not only result in the loss of shelter but also disrupt entire communities, leading to psychological distress, economic instability, and social upheaval. Palestinian women, who are often the primary caregivers and homemakers in their families, are particularly affected by these demolitions. They are left to navigate the challenges of displacement, finding themselves without a roof over their heads and struggling to provide for their families amidst the chaos and uncertainty. The trauma inflicted by home demolitions reverberates through Palestinian communities, exacerbating existing inequalities and vulnerabilities. Moreover, the Israeli home demolition policy in Jerusalem is not just about the destruction of physical structures, but also a deliberate tactic aimed at exerting control over Palestinian lives and lands by targeting homes and communities. Israel seeks to assert its dominance and suppress Palestinian resistance to its occupation. Israel suppresses the idea of Palestine to entrench its settler colonial regime and replace the indigenous people of the land with foreign Zionist settlers who have no connection to the land.